Hello, mommy friends, and welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, hello, hi, welcome. Okay, and if you guys are OG subscribers, well, hello, mommy friends, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing amazing as always. For this video today, we're going to be putting up Kaylynn's Christmas gift. So Kaylynn pretty much specifically told me and slash Santa exactly what she wants for Christmas. And one of the things that she mentioned outside of going to Disney, because we are avid Disney goers this year. And side note, we're actually annual pass holders this year, so we've been going, but she wants to go for Christmas, so we're gonna go for Christmas. I might do a video for that, so you guys stay tuned for that. But pretty much I lost my train of thought. In today's video we're gonna be going, oh yeah, no, so Kaylynn asked specifically for a pink card, and guess what she's gonna get? A pink car. And no, I'm not talking about like a Chevy Malibu car, Chevy Camaro, whatever. No, we're not talking about the real thing right now. Okay, that's later. But I did get, well, me and her grandma got her a pink Chevy. Well, not Chevy. I'm tripping. I'm still on the Chevy. So me and her grandma got her a pink electric car from Amazon. And we know that she's gonna love it. And pretty much this video is pretty much me putting it together. And then the second part of the video is gonna be her pretty much giving her review. Well, baby girl's gonna give her review. And then I'm also gonna give my mommy perspective of the car. So in this put together, we're probably gonna see if we have to charge any batteries or anything like that. And that's pretty much it. When I finish, I'm going to go ahead and set it by the Christmas tree. And yes, you guys, this year we did a Barbie pink Christmas theme this year. Switched it up. Last year we did like a blue Christmas. It was kind of almost like a Frozen theme, but we didn't go too Frozen. This year we went Barbie. Just a little hint of Barbies. There's actually Barbie dolls like literally on the tree. I think that's pretty cool. So yeah. Stay tuned for that video because I did record that whole process and setup as well. I'm not sure which one is going to go up first, whether that Christmas tree want to go up first or this video. We'll see. Nowadays, I just be recording and whatever gets done, okay? But enough said. Let's get right into the video, guys, okay? So I'm not even gonna lie, you guys. There's so many pieces to this little electric car, and I'm a little intimidated at first. This is my honest opinion, but we gonna get it done. Like literally, look, that's one. This is how the car looks up in person. How about that? Here's some pieces, some more pieces. I don't know. Then we have some wheels. Then that's the seat. With the steering wheel. It's a lot of little pieces that goes and pretty much make this electric car. Oh, so you guys, I better get my little credits. I need y'all to give me a standing ovation after this video because the Lord knows this is gonna take some hard work. Okay, but it's gonna get done. Gotta get done for baby girl. So let's get to it. Alright, mommy friends, let's jump right into the details of this beautiful pink toy car. So, right off the bat, I absolutely love this car for my daughter. I know that she will absolutely love it and probably use it every single day, or at least ask to ride it every single day. Um, the main key points that I like about this car, it's pretty decent on speed. Outside of the speed, I do like the fact that you can control it. You have a remote to control it. This view that I'm showing you guys right now, it's me playing around with the controller and just, testing it out before baby girl gets to test it out, really. And outside of that, this awesome electric ride-on car has some amazing features when it comes down to music. Like, you can either use an aux cord, you can do MP3 player, you can do FM mode, which means you can listen to the radio. And then also, I'm not sure if I mentioned this, they also have Bluetooth capabilities, so you can connect any like your phone or any maybe like a tablet that has music on it, whatever you like that has a Bluetooth capability to play music through this car itself. And the speakers are loud. They can get very loud if you want them to be. So I think that's pretty cool. This toy car also has a lot of realistic features that I like. It has a built-in horn. It has a push to start. When you press the button, the power button to start the car, it actually makes a realistic engine startup sounds. That's pretty cool. Outside of that, the lights on the car are very bright. They're very good as well. And there is this secret storage compartment in the front of the car hood, which is pretty dope as well. The only thing I don't really care for too much about that is the fact that there's a lot of cords in there. Yeah, there's space to put things in it, but it's like, I don't think you will want your little one to know that it exists just because of the cords. You don't want them to pull on that. One thing you could do is probably put something as a layer of base on top of those cords. So in that way, it's kind of out of sight, out of mind thing for your little ones not to know that the cords are there, and kind of keep them from pulling on those cords. So that's one option you can use, or you can just alleviate them even knowing that storage space even exists. It's up to you. Outside of this, the toy car is pretty spacious. My daughter is able to sit in the toy car and have a whole bunch of space, so I like that aspect of it as well. But yeah, that's my mommy review. Now here's Kaylynn's review. You gotta turn it on. You know how to turn it on? You see the power button? Alright, turn the lights on. You know how to turn the lights on? No, the lights. The lights. Let me see. This button. So lights.
Yeah. Right here. As you see, be right here.
Yeah, and they come on up in the front too. You have your seatbelt on? Let me.
Wait.
Alright. Now you have. You ready for my questions? Oh my gosh. How do you feel about the car?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Put your hands down. What is that? What do you like about the car? What do you like about the car, Kaylynn? Good what?
So much.
No, not how much you like the car. Why you like the car?
Because I like to go to Disney to ride to Disney.
So you're gonna drive your car to Disney?
Yeah, and then ride my car back to home.
What? You gonna ride all the way to Disney, and then you're gonna ride all the way back home by yourself in your car? Can I ride with you?
Yeah.
Yay! Let's go. Go ahead. Alright, turn around. Turn that way. Turn that way. Mind you, the grass is wet. It rained outside prior to coming out here. You press the reverse? Press it. Alright, hold on. Maybe it doesn't do well in reverse out here. Press the... Oh yeah, you were just stuck. Alright, go ahead. Go for it. Keep going. Yeah. You pressing the gas? Press the gas. Keep rolling it. Oh, there's a dip right there. Keep going. There you go. It does sound like it's trying harder out here. It's doing pretty good. Look at you go. Look at you go. Aww. I'm happy you love it. I'm happy you like it. I'm happy you like it. Yeah. Alright, it's still early morning. We don't want to wake up anybody, okay? Stop pressing the button. You're doing donuts in the yard right now at this point. So that's like a GPS. Oh, that's the hospital. You're right. You said a doctor. You're so smart. Wait. I wonder if I can show you guys. Yeah, the hospital. She said the doctor. I was like, what? Alright. What's the other one? Do you know what this one is? Look at you. You can barely see that one, but you know, look at you. Okay.
Publix.
I know you seen the P, you said Publix, but that's parking, but I'll take it. Go ahead, baby. She is so cute. Don't hit me. No. No. I see you can catch me. Oh snap, look at you. Alright, now I'm running for my life. What? No.
Merry Christmas! And Happy New Year! Hope this video is subscribe. Bye!
Hope this video what?
Hope this video
Hope you like this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. That's what you say. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Hope you the video. Or this is just subscribe.
No. Hope you like the video. Say hope you like the video. Hold on.
Hope you like the video. And then
Make sure you like.
Make sure you like,
Comment.
comment below.
Okay, and subscribe.
And subscribe. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hurry, let's go.
Bye.